can jump in there. Jump in there. You can jump in the bowl. Oh, no, you don't want to be in there, do you? You don't want to be in there, do you? Oh, no. You don't want to be in there. Hey, let me out. That's a pretty girl. Oh. She's giving me hugs. She's giving me hugs. She's got a dirty face. She's giving me hugs. You got a dirty face. She's a pretty girl. Let's put you some little kibbles in. Look. Oh, Lord, she loves to eat. How she loves to eat. She's so fat. Oh, she loves to eat. I'm telling you. But this is her little bed. And this is her litter box. I'm watching her poop. And today she had solid brown poop, didn't you? That's so good. I'm so thrilled about it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now she just needs a good bath. You hear her purring? Look at those words, gummit. Look how dirty your face is. Look at all this filthy dirt on your face. Oh my goodness, what is that? Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna get set free. Uh-oh. I think I might get set free. No. I know you don't like it in this cage. I know you don't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look, I put you some more kibbles in there. No, you can go out, darling. Hold on, let me shut the door. And the world is on your face. Yeah. Show me how you can jump in your bed again. Remember? Remember when you jumped in your bed? You gonna show me again? I think she has like a nervous eating habit. It's like every time she sees me, she'll start eating. Like if I walk in the room and she sees me, she'll say meow and then she'll start eating. Like she's associating eating with love and attention. Which I do too. But that's kind of sad, isn't it? Knock, knock. I entertained myself. Knock, knock. Anybody home? Yeah, I was cracking my own self up. Yoo-hoo. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Oh, did I interrupt y'all's dinner? I'm sorry. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Well, listen. You don't have to be rude about it. Well, hey, kids. Well, hey, kids. I see 2 white kids. Well, I can't look at them. Hi, what y'all doing? Well, hi there. Who else is in there? You. Come to the door. Come to the door. Mom, I can't see them because you're in the way. Okay. Oh, look. How beautiful. Hi, kids. What y'all doing? Oh, look at that little bitty one. He's little, Lenny. He must be the right. Look at this one. This looks like that might be a girl. Hello. Look at this white one with those little cream point ears. I bet that's a girl back there. Uh-oh. Sorry, Mom. Well, you go on now. Get out of here. My kids are eating supper, so go on and leave us alone. Well, this one ain't going in there. He's not hungry, I don't think. Well, yes, he is. Now, I told you to leave. I told you to leave. Now, get out of here. I know you. Don't I love you? Don't I love you? Yeah, she knows I love her. You know I love her, don't you? Yes, you do. This is her first litter. She's very soft. Her fur feels like rabbit fur. It's real soft, softer than you think. It's so soft. Hello. What you doing? Oh, hi. Not gonna be on camera, please. Hmm? Oh, hello there. Hi. But they are just now starting to walk out of their house. These past couple of days. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, how cute. He's falling asleep though. Look at his little toes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Mm-hmm. Hiya, kids. What you doing? Hey, who's in the window? She keeps blocking me. Your mama keeps blocking me. No, she said no. Mm-hmm. Hi. You're cute. My goodness. Are you real? You look like a little toy. Hi. Hello. They're taking little steps. They're starting to learn how to walk, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, look at those little steps he's taking. He or she, I'm not sure. Good job. Getting your steps in. Beauty, you've been taking all the milk, haven't you? You've been taking all the milk? You got a piece of litter box in your head. Yeah, I'll never miss a meal. What Did you mumble something? Did you mumble something? Okay. Yeah. Good job, you got in your bed. Good job, you did it. Show me how you got in your bed. You did it. Yay, you got in your bed. Good job. Woo-hoo. I'm proud of you. Now you got your own bed. Look at you. There you go. Now you could curl up in there and go to sleep good, can't you? No, no. There you go. No. If I fit this it. You look like a cupcake. You look like a cupcake. Silly goose. You a silly goose. You're a silly goose. Oh, yeah. There's Foofy. There's Foofy. And there's Cherry. Are you nerdy? You smell that food?